I came into it with an open heart, an open mind on the excitement I felt when I first read the program, that it was going to offer me probably something totally different to what I've done before. The whole creativity for me was just fantastic, to get in touch with art and drama and communication and innovation and people.
I thought it was amazing. I enjoyed the entire experience.
My favourite part of the program would have to be just being here, being in New York, being in the vibe, experiencing all of this against the amazing energy of New York City.
I would say to absolutely take the chance to come on a trip and see what opens up in you that maybe you want to know about, maybe you don't want to know about, but certainly you're going to leave with an experience of an understanding of yourself, actually, in a way that you didn't at the beginning of the week.